I already did a whole video about nothing trending this fall, or nothing new trending this fall, and now I'm gonna eat my words and talk about my fall 2024 trends. Before we get in this video, I want to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. So I'm not saying any of these things are new. I'm not even saying I'm really predicting them. It's kind of just what I'm excited to wear and see this fall. First thing, feels a little bit new, but also feels like super timeless, so I don't like saying it's new, is suede. I think we're seeing so much suede in accessories and jackets. Like suede pants, I don't think we're really gonna see yet, but I'm like on the lookout for a suede bomber jacket, especially with like a big collar. Again, just like a very 70s feel, or a big slouchy suede purse, whether they have like studs on it, which people are deeming as a new trend, but I feel like we've been seeing, especially like the grommets, for a while now. But I think suede is a really good thing if you don't have it in your wardrobe already, to incorporate it and be on trend, but also be able to wear for like seasons to come. One thing I will say about suede is it gets so dirty so fast, and it's pretty hard to clean it. You have to like take it to a dry cleaner, which sucks. I have this little suede fringe Marlboro jacket that my dad actually got for me on Facebook Marketplace in like 2015, and I've worn it to like concerts and nights out. I think it's so fun. Fringe is another thing people are talking about that I think has been trending for a few years now. So that's a cool jacket. That's like, you would look at it and be like, oh, that's such a trendy jacket. I would get so many compliments on it when like fringe and suede wasn't trending. So I really like that one. Okay, next one I've talked about before that I'm excited to keep wearing this fall is like a kick flare pant, but with a pair of boots. I think it's so cute. Or like a capri with a pair of boots. I think it's a fun way to keep wearing our like summery pants into the fall time. I think even if you have like a gingham capri pant, like a kick flare gingham capri pant, wearing it with like a brown leather boot can make it feel so fall-esque, and like a cardigan or just like a crew neck sweater or something along those lines. I love it. I love the silhouette too of kick flare and the boots like hems meeting or being a little bit overlapped. I think it's a lot cuter of a look than wearing a skinny jean or even like a straight leg pant and stuffing it into your boot. I think pairing it with a kick flare or a capri is the way to go to wear your boots in the fall time when it's like cold out and you can't wear shorts or shirts, or you don't want to wear tights. Okay, I see a lot of people talking about the color burgundy, and I feel like I'm like, oh my god, if I heard this, I'd be like rolling my eyes, like you are saying the same thing. But I think the next color is gonna be a little bit toned down from the burgundy, and it's more of like a raspberry purple. I'm gonna have to find colors of this, but I keep seeing it when I'm like online browsing. I keep seeing it as an option for a lot of pieces, and I think it's such a beautiful color. Basically burgundy, but a little bit lighter, a little more purple, or is it a little more pink? I'm so bad with colors, but I think it's really pretty, especially like we've been seeing it with like a lip color. I feel like I kind of have it on now. But yeah, I have like a sweater in a raspberry color, and I absolutely adored it last year. I feel like purple is just like starting to like creep its way in. I know another color people are talking about is olive green, but I don't think we've like haven't seen olive green yet. I feel like we've been seeing olive green since like, I would say 2019. We've been seeing so much green, like sage green, olive green, that like bright radioactive green, neon green. I feel like the new color is gonna be purple, so let me know what you think. I really like even like the lilac purple color. I feel like I was wearing it a lot this summer, and I bet next summer we're gonna see a ton of lilac purple. Okay, next thing, I saw some people already talk about this, but I totally agree, and it was already on my radar, is messy hair. I feel like, again, we saw so much of this like clean girl aesthetic, and then once we saw like bangs start trending, curtain bangs and stuff like that, it's really hard to get that clean girl slick back Kim Kardashian bun. So I feel like we're gonna just see like more braids and messy hair and like French twists with a bunch of flyaways, or even if you're gonna wear your claw clip, like having just like your bangs out or like the little wispies out is so much fun. So I love messy hair because it's easier, and I think it's honestly a lot of time I think it's a lot more flattering. I still like a slick bun for like dressed up, but I love just like the casual simplicity of messy hair. Next thing we've been seeing for a minute now, and I've already touched on in the past, maybe last year or 2 years ago, but is like the slouchy undone bag. I was calling it a hobo bag, and I don't think that that's the right term for it, so correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, just like slouchy. It could be suede, it could be leather, it could be honestly any material. Even think like the like Balenciaga city bag, just like the style of it. I would never get that bag or Balenciaga, but you know what I'm talking about. Just like slouchy big, like Jane Birkin with her Birkin. You know, a mess. The new aesthetic is a mess. No more clean girl, we're messy. Something else that I still think is gonna be trending for me is the basket bag. It's so funny because I don't actually wear my Jane Birkin basket that much in the summertime. I don't know, it feels like too predictable, and I like to be, I don't know, different. That's so cringy. But I love the like Jane Birkin basket with like leather or this wicker material with like a fur jacket. I think it is so fun and like quirky, sorry, but it's cutesy. And I if you don't have like the exact like Jane Birkin style basket, like bucket bag basket, any wicker bag is so cute in the fall time. I think it's adorable, and I think we shouldn't be putting our wicker bags away for the fall and winter. Before we get any further into this video, I wanted to take a moment to talk about Squarespace. Squarespace is the all-in-one website and platform to stand out and succeed online. Squarespace makes building and maintaining a website easy. I love it because I can focus more on the creative aspects and let Squarespace do the heavy lifting. Make it easy to sell your products in an online store. Whether you sell physical, digital, or service products, Squarespace has the tools to sell your products online. Analytics is something that is so important when maintaining and improving your website and your brand, and Squarespace makes analytics easy. Improve your website and build a marketing strategy based on your top keywords or most popular products and content. If your Squarespace account is acting as an online store, the checkout process is so easy for your customers with simple but powerful payment tools. Accept credit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay, and offer your customers the option to buy now and pay later with Clear Pay and Afterpay. Head to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain with code LaineyOzark. Next thing that has been trending that I'm still loving are the 70s style sunglasses. I have recently gotten a pair from Cezanne because I lost my other pair, and they're such a good fit. I love that they're a little bit rounded, not too square. Sometimes when they're too square, they can give like insta baddie. So if you're looking for a pair of 70 sunglasses, make sure they have like a little bit of like a roundness, softness to them. They make any outfit cute, especially with bangs. Like, I'm sorry, but bangs make everything cute, but 70 sunglasses and bangs and messy hair, it's like a dream combo. You could wear like a white t-shirt, jeans, and if you have your sunglasses, a basket bag, and bangs, you're gonna look so cute. You could literally be barefoot, like it doesn't matter. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about is kind of like a new trend and something that I've been eyeing are a heeled pair of loafers. Again, I feel like I'm just like so 70s inspired right now, which is fun. And like for the fall and summertime, 70s is like such a fun era to unlock and dress like. So these little heeled loafers, whether it's just like a strap back or a full like back heel, I think are adorable. No weird toes, just like a normal rounded loafer with like a chunky heel. Even like a loafer that was like a wedge, that would be so cute. Those are my trends for this fall. Let me know what you guys think of them, if you were already wearing them last season, because some of them I was too. They're not predictions, they're just fun things to look at. I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.